This video will show you how to use the PowerSchool website to make your course requests for the next school year. Please note, you must access PowerSchool with a web browser. You cannot use the PowerSchool mobile app on your phone or iPad. For this demonstration, I will be using Safari on an iPad, but you can use a browser on any tablet, phone, or computer. The easiest way to get to the right spot is to go to stmary'shighschool.org and visit the Parent-Student Portal. Once you're on the Parent-Student Portal, tap the PowerSchool icon and a new tab will open. Sign in with your PowerSchool username and password. Now tap on Class Registration in the left-hand column. Let's take a look at the different areas on this page. Important information is located at the top, followed by course groups listed by subject. Each subject includes notes that you should be reading. At the bottom is where credit hours requested are shown. This important topic will be covered later. The top of this page provides you with some important resources and information. You will find a link to the course catalog and directions about courses that do not meet during the A through G period part of the day. If you are enrolling in athletic PE, be sure to complete the steps listed here. It is important to keep in mind the following. You must choose alternative electives from the Alternatives section. The total credits of your selected courses must add up to 7, as shown at the very bottom of this screen. For students eligible to request free periods, you must be sure to add them in the Other section. They are not worth any credits, but need to be selected if you want a free period. Some course screens take up multiple pages. Watch for the page numbers listed at the bottom of the page. I'll give an example of this later. We will cover the final instructions at the end of this video. Let's start selecting courses. Our awesome student here is a junior becoming a senior. Different grades will see slightly different information. For theology, we have already selected your courses for you. For all grades, an English and Social Studies course must be selected. The red exclamation point on the right-hand side is a visual indicator of this requirement. Future sophomores will also see math and science with this requirement. You'll also notice that the alternate section has a red exclamation point. To select an English course, tap the Edit button on the far right. A list of available courses from your grade level will appear. On the left are the boxes to select your course. If there is no box next to the course name, you do not meet the prerequisites to take the course. This could be due to previous grades or a lack of a teacher's recommendation. The prerequisites are in the course catalog and also shown here. You will also see in the alert column any teacher recommendations that have been made. Select a course by putting a check in the box to the left of the course name. Press OK to continue. The course will now appear in the English section. Repeat these steps for all sections with the red exclamation point and in the subjects you are making course requests for next year. We'll go ahead and select Social Studies and U.S. Government. We're going to skip math. Please be aware that 3 years of successful math is required for college entrance. In science, we are going to sign up for physics. If you notice, however, physics is not visible amongst these options, but if we scroll down to the bottom of the list, we will see there are 2 pages of courses shown. I'm going to click Next and choose Physics. Continuing on, in Computer, we are going to try out this new computer course, Intro into Computer Programming. In Language, I'm going to select American Sign Language 4. And in Fine Arts, we are going to sign up for Art 3-4. The next section is Academic Electives. This is a list of courses that you can take that are also available to select as an elective. We're going to go ahead and sign up for 2 courses here, Rhetoric and Public Design, or Yearbook. For the Physical Education section, it is critical to select your PE classes from the correct group. If you are only requesting 1 semester of PE and/or weight training, use the first group, semester 1 only. If you need 2 semesters or a year-long course, select from the 2-semester, 1-year group. If you select from both, you will have selected 3 semesters of PE. For those trying out for cheer or drill, do not select a PE course from the first 2 groups. Use the cheerleading drill team group to request the course. Only those who are accepted after tryouts will be eligible to enroll in one of these courses. The other section appears for future juniors and seniors. These groups follow the same rules as PE with regards to 1 or 2 semesters. Please make sure to choose from the appropriate group based on your desire for 1 semester or a full year of the requested courses. If there's a schedule conflict, you will need to indicate the alternative selections for courses. You will do this in the alternate section. You must choose 2 or 3 alternates from this group. There are many pages in this group. Make sure to look through them all. For this student, we are going to sign up for Art and History of Floral Design, Broadcasting, and Exploring Computer Science. The final group, called Additional Requests, cannot be changed by students. If any courses appear here, they must be taken and count towards your total credits required to submit your class requests. No action is required. Now that we've selected all our courses, let's try submitting to see what happens. It looks like we have some errors. You must request 7 credit hours, and it looks like I've selected 7.5. And then it says, prerequisites not met for 2453. Let's look at that one first. 2453 is a social studies course, U.S. government. The prerequisites state, I must take economics if taking this course. So I'm going to check that box and mark that OK. Now let's look at my credit requested hours found at the bottom of the screen. Now that I've added that one, I'm requesting 8 hours, so I need to drop 1 credit hour. I think I will drop publication design. Now let's try submitting. We have 7 hours. And our submission was successful. Final instructions. Review the list of courses on this screen. If they are incorrect, please go back to the class registration page to modify your requests. If you have further questions about your eligibility to take any given course, please see your counselor. If you need help using the online class registration, please see tech support in the library and we'd be happy to assist you. A copy of your course request will be uploaded to school admin for your parents' review and approval once the enrollment portal opens in mid-March. Thank you very much and have a great day.